Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler and it's train time. Well, today is a special day on the Norfolk Western steam engine 611. So we're going to have a lot of train chasers, train spotters, and who knows what else. So it should be here in a few minutes and we're going to track it as far as we can down to the Shenandoah yard. Okay, we caught it for the first time with about 10 other cars. I decided to pull off here. I have no idea where I was at on the first spot or where I'm at the second spot, but here it comes. You guys can leave a comment below on where I'm at. As you can see, there are a few cars at this stop. The last place we were at, I think it was Bentonville. Now we're in Overland. And then we're just gonna keep heading down the road after she passes. We got a lot of people down here. We're in Luray now. All right, we were just in Luray. Now we're in Stanley, Virginia. Another good crowd. I can hear the engine in the background. Shenandoah Mountains in the background. All right, now we're in the town of Shenandoah at mile marker 105. The Shenandoah yard is at 106 just down the tracks, and I see her coming. Shenandoah yard. This is going to be its final resting spot for the night. And of course the sun is in a horrible spot.
I can't see it.
Well, in this crowd, sometimes you never know who you're going to meet. And I met Railfan Rowan there.
Hey,
how you doing?
Hey, we be seeing you.
We be seeing you. Check out Railfan Rowan's YouTube channel. He's got a lot of great stuff there. And so I think that's going to do it here from Shenandoah. This was a great chase during today of everybody. We had a great time. And I think that's going to do it. And on that note, traveler saying, see you by the rails.